Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Vinisha. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So, as the title suggests, today you're going to be seeing this makeup look. So I filmed this look which is absolutely summer friendly, and I've used products that is quite long lasting as well. So I can definitely try it for all the upcoming Indian festivals. Now initially I wanted to do a video where I talk and explain you the makeup. But my husband was in a meeting and it is just not possible. So you're going to be seeing just a voiceover from here. Okay? Alright, let's get into the video. Now starting with bare face, I'm going to be using a cleanser to cleanse my face, and for that today I'm using the Dermavive Hydra cleanser which has oatmeal in it, and it is moisturizing, it hydrates, and also it balances the pH of your skin. This can be used for all skin types, all genders, and it is great for sensitive, dry combination as well as allergic skin. Now I'm keeping my hair away from my face while doing my makeup, and before you guys even ask, this robe is from Calvin Klein that I'm wearing and I'm really loving the color. Now for moisturizer, I'm using the Neutriderm Moisturizing Lotion. It has vitamin E in it, and it is also cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free, and also vegan friendly. It is great for all skin types, and it is also unisex. It can be used by anyone, and it is great if you have sensitive skin. It does not give you any allergies, patches or anything on your face, and it's also safe for newborns. Next is very important to protect your face, and for that I'm using the Dermaco Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel. Trust me, this is like the best sunscreen that I've ever used. It does not give you any white cast at all, and it's great to use under makeup. So if you have dry skin or oily skin, it's great, and whatever skin tone is, it disappears beautifully into your skin. So please do try it and let me know if you like it in the comments below. Next, to keep my lips hydrated and nourished for the makeup, I'm using this Laneige Lip Balm in a berry flavor. This is absolutely beautiful under makeup and really nourishes your lips. Next, for the eye makeup, I'm prepping my eyes right now with the paint pot from MAC, which is in the shade Laying Low, and you have to apply this on your eyelids and it does not crease. You don't have to set it with a powder. Instead of this, you can also use a concealer and a powder, but I prefer this because it is one step less. Next, I'm going to be color correcting my face, and for that I'm using two different products today. One is the PAC Orange Corrector and the other one is the K-Beauty Concealer. So why I'm going to use two products is that I'm going to mix these two so that the orange is not that dominant on my face and it does not peek through the foundation. This is a great way to color correct in case if you are a beginner and you're struggling with color correction, because this is not that too intense on your face and your foundation will not have orange tints, because color correction is kind of tricky and you have to be really careful, otherwise you might end up looking really orange. Next, moving on to foundation. Today I will be trying out the Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. I have already spoken about this foundation. It is beautiful and it has medium to buildable coverage. It's great for oily skin and also performs very well during the summers and the heat. It also withstands humidity to a very great extent, and you will really love it once you try it. So please give it a shot if you would like to. Okay, now here's one important trick that you should note. If you feel your foundation is enough to cover all the pigmentation that is on your face, then please don't go ahead and apply a concealer on top. Only use it if you need it. Like sometimes the concealer is not really necessary if your foundation has enough coverage to cover all those pigmentation or unevenness on your face or even on top of a corrector. So use only if you need it, and it's not a compulsion that you have to use a concealer because it's just another layer on your skin. Next, to contour my face, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury's Contour Wand, and this is a very beautiful product. It has a very liquidy consistency and it blends beautifully on the skin. So I'm going to be applying on all the areas where I need some contour and I'm blending it off nicely. Now to set the contour in place, I'm using a bronzer from Bahama Mama, and I'm going to setting exactly the areas where I cream contoured, and this serves a beautiful shadow and the contour will last for a very long time. Now for a peachy beautiful blush, I have this beautiful shade from Milani, which is so gorgeous. It's peachy and looks really nice and fresh for this summer, and I'm using this on my cheeks, and this shade is, oh my god guys, the best you can ever find. I will leave it in the description box below. Please do check it out. Now I'm going to be setting my face with a loose powder, and this is from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to be setting it on under my eyes, around my nose, and also on my forehead and around my mouth. Now if you notice here, I haven't baked my face. I have just set with some loose powder, and that is not going to make my makeup look cakey, and that's why I chose not to bake my face. Now with the same blush that I've already used, I'm going to be taking it on my eyes as well. So I'm going to be using a fluffy brush and applying the blush all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, and I'm applying this pink color that you find here, and I'm taking it only in the center of my eyes first and then gradually blending in the sides as well. For shimmers and glitters, it's always best you use your fingers, that way it picks up way more product than the brush. Now I'm going to be taking this darker brown shade. You can use any dark brown shade, and I'm taking it on a flat small brush and applying it under my eyelids. So I will be skipping kajal today. Kajal might look a little too intense for me, so I prefer using a brown eyeshadow on my lower lids so that it doesn't look intense and it looks way softer than the black kajal. Now to fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this brow pencil by Maybelline, which is called the Tattoo Studio. Honestly, I'm not a fan of this product at all. It is too creamy and it's very hard to fill in the eyebrows. I always prefer using an eyebrow pomade, but today I have to use this because I was like, okay, I got it and I have to finish it anyway. Next, I'm going to be applying my false eyelashes, and this one is from Huda Beauty. You can totally skip it if you don't want to. And the next step that I'm going to be doing is setting my makeup, and for that I'm going to be using the Prep and Prime Fix Plus Spray from MAC. This is totally optional. If you have dry skin, then this works great and prevents your makeup from being cakey. And next I'm going to be applying my lipstick, and for that I'm using this liquid lipstick from Revlon, and it's a gorgeous shade. You have to try it. A perfect pink shade for pigmented lips, and it shows through very beautifully. Now I'm super addicted to applying lip liners, and I was quite not satisfied with my lipstick, so I went ahead and applied the NYX lip liner, and I will leave the shade in the description box below. You can check it out. So you can see how the lipstick actually changed completely after the lip liner, and I prefer this way. Next, I'm off to doing my hairstyle, and I have done this already in my channel. You can go click on the icon on top and view the full hairstyle. So this is only on the front, and I prefer doing this for special occasions. And yes, that's it. That is how my final look has turned out. I have also sprayed a little bit of root touch up on my forehead to prevent the skin from peeking through, because the density of my hair is quite less there. And this is how the look turned out. I am adding earrings right now, and the earrings is from Ado by Priyanka. You can check in the description box below. Not a paid partnership or anything, just mentioned because I got it and I know so many of you guys will ask me as well. So added a bindi, and this is how my final look turned out to be. Also, this kurti set is from Soch, and I got it in Marina Mall in Chennai. And that's me trying to pose in 9 degrees outside. I know it's like summer there, but it's peak winter here and it's 9 degrees, you guys. It was freezing and it was super windy as well, and I really tried to take some shots, and yeah, this is how it turned out to be. And that's it. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.